One of the best parts of being an international student is all of the new and incredible people you'll meet. Whether they're other students, teachers who help to fill your drive to learn, or professionals who can mentor and support you. Meeting people and building network is essential to make the most of your time in Victoria. Now let's talk about making friends. You'll definitely be mingling with other people in your course, but you need to be proactive when it comes to making meaningful connections. It can be a bit intimidating at first, but putting yourself out there is the key when it comes to making friends. There are many events and activities available to international students through Study Melbourne. These can help you socialize and make friends. Connect with Study Melbourne through social media, sign up to the newsletter, or check out the events page on the website for announcements for upcoming events. One of the best ways for you to engage with fellow students is through one of Study Melbourne's programs. These programs are specifically developed for international students to support you in building your employability, leadership and digital skills while helping you engage with the local community and enhance your experience in living and studying in Victoria. No matter which events you attend, and you can attend them all, these are the perfect first step for you to meeting new people and making friends. Make sure to also check out your institution's student clubs, societies, and sports teams. There will be groups of people with similar hobbies, interests, languages, and culture. Alternatively, check out the community groups near where you live, like the local library. Or simply head to Study Melbourne Hub on Hardware Lane and start a conversation with new students over a cup of coffee.